Where does the spirit go during sleep? Generally, the spirit or the ego goes into the desire world, that of the earth planet, not any other place. Right here on this earth planet, the spirit or the ego goes into that desire world. Over there, it draws energy from the harmony of the spiritual worlds and channels that energy through the mind first, then the desire body. The desire body then channels it to the vital body, which lies with the body while we sleep. The vital body in turn re-energizes the physical atoms and the cells of the dense body. And we provide an illustration. To the left-hand side, we have the world of thought, the desire world, and the physical world. And you see the circles as they are. The channeling of the energies starts from the mind. And the mind gives to the desire body. And the desire body also gives to the vital body. And the vital body gives to this dense body, so that the dense body will be re-energized. While the spirit or the ego is out of the body, the vital body remains with the body. So the spirit or the ego, when it leaves the body, it does not live with all its vehicles, all its bodies. It leaves the vital body. The two lower ethers of the vital body, the chemical ether and the life ether, they perform the normal functions. For example, breathing, heartbeat, blood circulation, body heat, digestion. Those ethers take care of them while we sleep. But there is a big but. A highly developed person can live with the two higher ethers of the vital body. And those two higher ethers of the vital body are the light ether and the reflecting ether, in addition to the desire body and the mind which the spirit takes when it leaves the body during sleep. Generally, the activities that the spirit or the ego carries out, or the things that it has seen in the desire world, they are impressed upon our senses or our brain centers as dreams. That is how we dream. Of course, we do not use the physical eye to see things when we sleep. No, it doesn't happen that way. The desire body has sense centers of perception. The desire body has centers of perception which are used to perceive things. Also, the desire body assumes the shape of the dense body as it is in the material world. So when we sleep and the desire body together with the mind comes out, together with the spirit, the desire body assumes the shape of the dense body. And we show a picture once again of the desire body. We can see the centers of perception. They are 7. 2 in the head, namely the pineal gland and the pituitary gland. We also have 1 in the throat or the larynx, then that of the liver, and then that of the generative organ area, and then 2 in the knees. Those are the centers of perception in the desire body, which we take along. The spirit takes along when we sleep. What are confused dreams?
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.